enough money for my car. I'm in college. It would be too expensive. Blah, 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 blah. Shut up. You guys really seemed to like the last video, and so I wanted to kind of continue that theme of giving financial advice. And then I thought, why don't I do like a monkey see, monkey do situation where I follow my own advice and ultimately lead up to me buying a car and kind of take you guys along for the ride and just showing exactly what to do at each step. This is just my opinion. Don't sue me for making bad financial decisions. Stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to reveal exactly which car I'm going to buy. I think you guys are really going to like it. And so with that being said, let's jump right into today's topics, which are going to be 6 of the first starter things that you need to do if you're serious about wanting to buy your dream car. Number 1, clean your room. It sounds so silly, like, yeah, dude, yeah, clean your room. My father gave me this advice as a kid. It's been the most subtly beneficial thing throughout my entire life. You want to kind of recondition your mind into thinking, I take care of my stuff. Jordan Peterson has a whole philosophy on this, which is very similar to my father's, in that you shouldn't expect to get anywhere outside if you can't get your stuff straight inside. I'm FaceTiming my sister. Yo. Show me your tattoo, dude. Show me your, I'm talking about cleaning my room. I'm talking about, yeah, you bet. You bet. Thank you, that's all I needed you for. Is your room clean though?
I would say so.
Look at that. Look at that. Everybody look at Carrie. All right. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right. Bye. She's wonderful. And she gets it. She understands. The first step in doing anything productive is making sure that your room is clean. Next, number 2, I discussed in the last video, you gotta budget. If you're just keeping it all up here, it's gonna get scattered and chaotic. You gotta do what you gotta do, but you have to keep track of every single bit of information that you have. The best place to do that is Excel. So where are we? I've cleaned my room and I've created a budget. What next? This is my favorite one, and it's so self-explanatory. It's the most fun to do, which is research. You come to decide that you want a car. Maybe you want a truck, okay? Let's find the best truck that is going to suit your needs best. There's so much information on all of this everywhere. Make sure that there's a surplus of parts if you're trying to keep it cheap. Figure out if you're gonna be able to work on it on your own. Going into it, you should know, if you want a Subaru, you're gonna have to know that spark plugs are a nightmare to change. And if you want an RX-8, you gotta know that you're gonna have to put oil into the gas tank. Just little weird things that you wouldn't have known until you bought the car and then screwed it up, then had to fix it later, research. Number 4 is really just a continuation of that, and that is learn how to do your own repairs. Let's say your axle goes bad. If you can figure out how to change that yourself, you're gonna save yourself probably $400 to $800, depending on what kind of car it is. Coupled with research, knowing how to do your own repairs is gonna do 2 things. 1, you're not gonna be worried about breaking down because you're gonna know, oh, this is a common problem and I've fixed it already. And then if something does go wrong, you're gonna say, oh dude, I know how to fix this. No problem. Doing these 2 things now are going to set you up for a completely stress-free, carefree, fun time with your car rather than being pissed off that it doesn't work. Number 5 applies to my college guys and gals. If you guys are in school, you need to try your best to get and keep good grades. This seems very obvious. The point that I'm trying to get across here is that you can't just change one aspect of your life. Like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna save my money better. No, that's not how this works, okay? You need to change your outlook. You need to change your perspective. And really the easiest way to start that is to just start by cleaning your room. And then as you build momentum in taking personal responsibility, getting good grades, kinda comes along with that, but you gotta keep that up. It's not about the actual grade, it's the principle of what you set out to do. You want to become obsessed with being successful in every area of your life. Number 6 ties everything together, and it almost forces you to get the best car that you possibly can. Here's what you're gonna wanna do. Wait. Yeah, wait. You see this car? Oh, Facebook Marketplace. Boom, I want this car. Bro, wait. It's the same as dating advice, bro. There's plenty of fish in the sea. There will be other cars. You set yourself up, your budget's gonna project out when you can buy the car. You've already got the information. You see the car, oh, out of my price range. Maybe try to negotiate it, but if you can't swing it, don't try. Don't go into debt for this. Now, I'm sure you guys are really curious to see what kind of car are you gonna buy, David? How are you gonna budget this out? Is your room clean? Yeah, it's clean right now, bro, cause I'm in it. Which car am I gonna buy? Oh, I'm thinking like a 95 Ford Ranger. I want to lower it. I want to slam it to the floor. I might try to bag it, but I want to drift it. Ken Block inspired me. The freaking Huna truck, unicorn truck, that thing. I need it. So I'm going Ford Ranger. I'm gonna buy it about 6 months from now. Until then, I'm gonna be budgeting and showing you guys exactly every detail that I go through in preparing for a car. If you're at all interested in seeing where this goes, dude, subscribe and join the ride, man. It's gonna be freaking sick. But anyways, if you guys want to see more tips and tricks on budgeting things, you can click my last video where I talked about creating a budget for buying a used car. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for commenting. You guys rock. It's been an honor. It's been a pleasure. And I'll see you in the next one.